Hi, would you like to save 10%, maybe more, on milk? Everyone would like to save a little bit on their groceries. Grocery prices are rather high these days. Some for good reason, some not for good reasons. But I'm going to talk about milk. Got your glass here? If you want to pour a glass of milk, there we go. Nice glass of milk. Gonna dunk some Oreos in it, or have some brownies. I like milk with chocolate. All right, so you've got it filled up to there. You don't need that much. Just fill it up to there. Okay? That's 10% decrease. That saves you 10%. I think if you try it, you'll find that a lot of times you're just filling up a glass to where you normally would and drinking it down. You may not need all of that. You may not want all of that. You just, when you get to the bottom, you just go ahead and throw it down because, you've already poured it. If you're just going to dunk some Oreos or something, you don't need a full glass. Get a smaller glass. That is sufficient for dunking your Oreos. That's half of a full glass. Just use a smaller glass. And like I said, if you want more milk, you can always pour more milk. But I think we get in the habit of just, there's a glass, let's pour it in. Same with like soda pop. Some people call it soda, some people call it pop, some people call it soda pop. Soft drinks, any beverage. Don't fill it up to where you normally would. Just a 10% decrease. If you want to go back and get some more, you can always go back and get some more. But how often do you get that to the bottom of a glass of some beverage and you just toss down that last inch because you don't want to waste it? Well, don't waste it on the front end. Keep it in the milk jug or the pop bottle. Okay? You can always go back for more. Subscribe, like, make comments, come back. I know this is just simple things that you can do, but you just don't think about it. You're just so used to pouring a full glass of milk. Try a little bit less, okay? Come back and see me. Thank you.